Open houses are a hive of activity in today's real estate market, with more and more people searching for their perfect home. Amidst this excitement, you might wonder, how do you make your open house visits truly effective? Hey everyone, I'm Kevin Ryan and I'm a realtor at Blue Coast Realty. Today, we're going to share some essential tips on navigating open houses effectively. So let's start with preparation. Before you step into an open house, it's crucial to do your research. Look into the neighborhood, local amenities, and any recent sales in the area. This preparation not only saves you time, but also equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Now, when it comes to the day of the open house, timing is key. It's important to respect the scheduled times. Arriving on time shows your seriousness and respect for the seller's and agent's time. Plus, it ensures you have ample opportunity to explore the property thoroughly. While you're there, remember, take detailed notes, as it's easy to forget the finer details after you've seen a few houses, so this step is crucial. Pay attention to what stands out to you, both positively and negatively. This will be invaluable when you later comparing properties and making a decision. Don't forget to engage with the agent at the open house. Ask insightful questions about the property's history, any recent upgrades, and the reasons behind the sale. Understanding these aspects can offer deep insights into the property's value and potential. Finally, as you walk through each house, try to picture your life in that space. Consider how your daily routine would fit in that new environment. This emotional connection is often a key factor in choosing a new home. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and insights, keep up with the Blue Coast Realty. I look forward to seeing you at the next open house, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.